All right, guys. So I just passed out your exams. I'm gonna put up a warm-up problem, okay? And there's a lot of whiteboard space right now, all over the place, and I want you to erase whatever's there on the whiteboard to complete this problem. All right? I think it's one that's not necessarily on the exam, but is a pretty difficult one. Because I think our class has a little bit of problems doing this one. So this is what I want you to do. I want you to just first read it, but it's basically draw the graph of the derivative of this sine function, okay? So if you want to, first draw this actual graph on your own set of axes, and then in a different colored pen maybe, draw the actual derivative graph, okay? So let's say like at every point here, like if this point was at 0, the slope of this point is at 0 here, then I should see your slope graph crossing 0. Does that make sense? Well, you guys don't see it at all. Oops. That's why. I apologize, guys. That's so weird. Give me 1 second for it to load up. Usually, here you are. Thank you. Sorry, give it 1 second. And Emily, can you please, or Stevie, you're closer. So Stevie, please come up and turn off the light. Oops. Yeah, give me 1 second, okay? Okay, Stevie, please, the lights. Okay. All right, guys. Go up on a whiteboard and then draw that graph or the derivative graph of this. Okay. Okay. Do you have the answer sheet for your month two? The answer document for month two or no?
Yeah.
Okay, you do. Okay.
Wait, they're both 18 questions.
No, this one has 20 questions. Okay.
We don't have 12.
Here, take it. Check the seat.
Yeah, exactly. And then occasionally rain. But that's never in February. Yeah. Because my brother recorded in February. His birthday was always great house. My birthday was kind of my birthday. You know, but I also did it's so sad.
Where's my... All right, so there's a hint here. This here would be a slope of 0, so your slope graph should be crossing 0 here, okay?
Is there a sign-in?
Yes, there should be. Let's see. Has anybody seen the sign-in sheet at all, or no? It's completely disappeared. All right, looks like it's disappeared. Okay. Don't worry about the sign-in sheet for now. Just get to work on this problem right here. Okay. Sean, here. You have this as well. Okay. And please remember to do test corrections for your exam. Okay.
Where's scratch paper? I need a lot. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so first maybe draw this graph and then try to draw the derivative graph. A graph that is only comprised of the individual slopes at each of these points. Okay.
The textbook, so I don't need it.
Oh yeah.
Because I already did started the line. So
Oh, did you?
that means I know what it is.
Oh, okay. Sean, can you do me a favor? All right, guys. I'm gonna have some people that got a pretty good answer to go around and check with you guys, to talk with you guys. So, Sean, why don't you go around right now? Your graph is good. I want you to go around and help out anybody that is kind of lost right now. Okay. And if you are lost right now, you don't know what to do, you have a peer right here that's going to talk to you and help you out. Okay, Sean, please get up, right? And spread yourself with your wings, okay? Right? And talk to people, okay? So just walk around. If you need help, talk to Sean right now.
Yeah.
Well, yes, I just.
You're on the spot, Sean.
I think I get it.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead, Stephanie. Go ahead and walk around.
So like, yeah, draw y equals sin x, and so, you know, the function that. So let's draw both of them. Like sin x
And Stevie, can you get the lights, please? Okay.
cosine x. You know what that is.
Thank you very much.
And then cosine is like you start up here.
Sean, did you talk to the other people on the other side? Make sure.
Yeah. So this is going. So this is going. So this is. Let me just draw lines to see this is going up, so it's in the positive area, and then the slope is negative. So to here, so it's. I'm doing this upside down, so it's hard to, you know. So.
Oh, all right. Cool.
So
All right, I'll give you one more minute, guys.
So, like, when the sign is, I gotta redraw this to make it so I actually know the labels, because there's no.
Joseph, go ahead and help out your table. I mean, there's probably other people that got it, but sorry, guys. Joseph's the one I can visibly see that got it at your table.
So, like, from here to here, like, the slope is up. So we do it that way up. So this should be and at rate going positive to negative. Cross.
We also have to plot the rule with the spot where the slope is 0.
Yeah. So we should
And that's why it's on the line.
yeah, and then it was negative. Negative slope. And then right here it's
Oh, shoot.
here it's